ang masasarap na donuts nila. Yan. Yum, 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 yum. Ito ko yung pinaka-favorite ng anak ko. Green peas. Yummy, yummy, delicious. Ayan yung dalawang boss. Waiting for their order.
Hi guys, what's up? It's me again, Tata Glassy. Ayan, so for today's vlog, magmumukbang kami ng donuts, ayan. So donut lang, wala lang, gusto lang namin i-share sa inyo. So kain lang kami ng donut, ayan. So stay tuned and don't forget to hit the subscribe if you're new to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll get notified if I have a new video. And
In today's vlog, we have a guest. Ayan, may artista tayo ngayon guys. Ayan. What's your name?
Justin!
Ayan. And
Yo, hello, I'm Giselle. Ayan. So, ano kakainin natin? Ha? Pagka.
so ayan guys, andito kami sa yan. Checo, andyan. Ayan. Checo, G-C-O. Ano yun? Checo. Ayan guys, so yun yung kakainin namin. So, ito guys, yung kakainin namin. Ayan. Kakainin namin to. Tatlo kami. 1 dozen. Ayan siya. So, ito guys, we have 3 dozen cookies. Ayan. So, this one is for take home. Take home. And then here. Ayan. So, kain tayo. So, ano masasabi mo?
It's super okay that we're eating again and again and again and again.
Oh, yum, 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 yum. Parang, dip. So, since nandito kami, and malalaki yung mukha namin, hindi namin na may press. Ayan. So, ayan. We have choco, hot choco donut. Para sa kanila, and this is my green tea.
ayan guys. Ayan. Pag gusto nyo kumain ng Dreco, ayan, punta lang kayo dito sa SM. Ayan. Baguio. Ayan. So, super spacious. And thank you for watching. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And click the notification bell na rin para updated kayo sa
Next video.
Yo, what's up?
ano masasabi mo sa mga guys ko?
Ano po?
Gay.
Pauwi sila.
Ayan guys, ubusin lang namin ito and then uwian na. Ayan. Ayan. Puro sweets yung nabili namin guys, kaya malalaki kami. Ayan. Especially that girl. Ayan, may bread talk pa siya dyan. Tapos nag-shopping pa siya dyan. So, bye-bye! Thank you for watching. God bless.